Hey everyone, this is Andrew, the 3D printing bunny, and in this video, I'm going to show you a time lapse of how I came to be. Ready? Hit it!
Alright, so that was disturbing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. Just to give you some background, this is the mask from Bioshock, which is a video game. It's the mask that the Splicers wear, which are kind of like the bad guys. They're these kind of deranged, kind of drugged up lunatics, so to speak. I mean, you'll know what they are if you play the game. But they're the bad guys in the game. They run around with these creepy masks in the dark. Kind of gives a spooky experience. Showed some people this mask and they thought it was quite disturbing. It kind of is a little disturbing. It's kind of weird why it would be. It's just a bunny mask, but I guess maybe it's because of the kind of fancy patterns on it. I don't know, but there's something naturally disturbing about it. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.